Chapter 16. The thrilling Indian Premier League. The first IPL 2008. The Indian Premier League (IPL) was launched in 2008 as a professional T20 cricket league. The first season featured 8 teams representing different cities across India. Rajasthan Royals emerged as the inaugural champions by defeating Chennai Super Kings in the final. The league introduced a franchise-based model, attracting top cricketers from around the world. Since then, IPL has grown into one of the most popular and lucrative cricket leagues globally. Orange Cap Award for Top Run Scorer. The Orange Cap is awarded to the batsman who scores the most runs in a single IPL season. It was introduced in the inaugural season of IPL in 2008 to recognize outstanding batting performances. The cap changes hands throughout the season as players compete for the top spot. At the end of the tournament, the highest run scorer retains the Orange Cap. Many legendary players, including Virat Kohli and David Warner, have won this prestigious award. Purple Cap Award for Top Wicketaker. The Purple Cap is given to the bowler who takes the most wickets in an IPL season. Introduced in 2008, this award honors the best performing bowlers in the league. The player with the highest wicket tally during the tournament wears the Purple Cap. It is a symbol of excellence for bowlers, showcasing their ability to dominate in a fast-paced format. Legends like Lasith Malinga and Dwaina Bravo have won this award multiple times. 10 teams currently compete in IPL. The Indian Premier League has expanded over the years, with 10 teams currently participating. Originally starting with 8 teams, the league saw additions like Gujarat Titans and Lucknow Super Giants in 2022. The expansion has increased competition and provided opportunities for new talents. Each team represents a different city or region in India. The league's popularity continues to grow, attracting millions of fans worldwide. Kolkata Knight Riders representing Kolkata. Kolkata Knight Riders, KKR, is the IPL franchise representing the city of Kolkata. The team is owned by Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan and has a massive fan following. KKR has won the IPL title twice, in 2012 and 2014, under the leadership of Gautam Gambhir. The team's home ground is the iconic Eden Gardens Stadium. Over the years, KKR has been known for its strong bowling attack and aggressive batting lineup. Chennai Super Kings suspension in 2016-17. Chennai Super Kings, CSK, one of the most successful IPL teams, was suspended for 2 seasons in 2016 and 2017. The suspension was due to a betting scandal involving team officials. After their return in 2018, CSK made a spectacular comeback by winning the IPL title. Led by MS Dhoni, the team has established itself as one of the most dominant franchises. Their passionate fan base continues to support them through ups and downs. Fun fact: there were 5 more teams that played IPL. But now they do not exist. They are Hyderabad Deccan Chargers, Kochi Tuskers Kerala, Pune Warriors India, Rising Pune Supergiant and Gujarat Lions.